How to make chicken wire planting pots. Chicken wire is a particularly fitting material to use to shape into garden pots. The wire is flexible and strong and can be easily wired together using its own wire and loose wire. Once formed, a chicken wire pot can be lined with moss and hung along with your other hanging planters. Because you are not limited to commercial sizes, you can make your wire pot the size and shape you want. Things you'll need: gloves, chicken wire, wire cutters, duct tape, square plastic pot, 14-gauge wire, needle-nosed pliers. Place a square plastic pot upside down on the work table. Put on garden gloves as chicken wire can easily scratch your hands. Measure the height of the side of the pot in half the distance across the bottom. Multiply this amount by 2. Measure around the pot on all 4 sides and cut chicken wire to this size. Fold your height measurement in half so that the top edge of the planter will be folded chicken wire. The double thickness will add to the strength of the planter. Wrap the double chicken wire around the sides of the planter. Tape the top edge evenly along the top with duct tape. This will help hold the wire in place as you wire it together. Pull the edges of the chicken wire together and twist the wires with needle-nosed pliers. Trim the end and tuck the twisted part so that it will not scratch you. Work your way down the side seam from the top to the bottom corner. Cut each corner from the raw edge to the bottom of the pot. This will allow you to fold the sides under to form the bottom of the pot. Fold 2 opposite sides toward each other and sew the seam with 14-gauge wire. Fold the other 2 sides to the middle and sew the seam again with 14-gauge wire. Make sure all your ends are trimmed and tucked so they can't scratch you. Insert 14-gauge wire halfway along the top edge. Weave the wire back and forth around the top edge. Circle the pot 3 to 5 times and twist the ends together where you started. This will form a strong top edge. Bend the corners to create the shape you want. Add wire along the corners if you want to make them stronger. Line the planter in moisten moss and plant with the plants of your choice. Tips: warnings. Start with square shapes and then try any shape you like. Chicken wire is very easy to bend and form into cute and unusual shapes. Add thicker gauge wire to strengthen your pots before you use them for plants.